Rebuilding Alliance is trying to support Palestinian families after the long years of war, the destruction, the mass displacement of people. People have been in tents which are not suitable for life. Rebuilding Alliance tried to sample something new to help Palestinian families improve the quality of their lives through special Darna shelter units, which could give the best of what is available in Gaza to help these families have a safe, better, good place to live in. We did choose families who have the land. The land, we have prepared it. We have put infrastructure in it, like a sewage network. And then we constructed 5 Darna shelter units, which is exclusive Rebuilding Alliance idea with our supplier, Mr. Ahmed Abu Halima. We used steel bars, we used aluminum, we used tarps, we used all the accessories required and available in Gaza to make these shelters suitable for life. And this went through various steps. The first one, we have designed in consultation with the families, we have designed the place, how the place could be look like. Then what is the components, like each unit has its own bathroom, its own kitchen, and 2 rooms. Plus access to electricity. As you know, there is generators in the area, so we put all the infrastructure required and the lamps, the lights, and it is connected to the generators network, so they have full access for good water and the electricity. This is a way of having privacy and keeping in privacy for the families, giving them better life. Also trying to put a real solid tiles in the bathroom and the kitchen to avoid rats, to avoid any insects coming from the sand. As you know, rats is a real problem now among the tents in Gaza. For that reason, we have tried to utilize the available resources in Gaza, and we managed to have 5 Darna shelter units. And now we are in the final stage of the finishing works, and very soon it will be handed over to the families, and the families will move in with their children, hoping RA is a reason for improving the quality of their lives.